Hi there, this is Faye from Feisworld Media. Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what you need to start your business in 2022 as a content creator. The why, the when, the tools you need to simplify the whole process. Anyone can start a business, but it doesn't mean that you're gonna do it right the first time. Sometimes having an idea, creating a product isn't the hard part, but running the business is, and especially creating it in the first place. Here's good news today. There are companies and resources out there that can help you do the heavy lifting when it comes to starting your business. Better news is so many of them are quite affordable today. I'm super thrilled to introduce today's sponsor, Tailor Brands, an AI-driven tool to help you start your business. It doesn't stop itself at creating these AI-generated logos, but it can also help you with a website, establishing LLC, creating merchandise, listing your business under Google, helping you with SEO, domain name, business inbox, social media tools, and so much more. More to come later in this video. First, why is it important for you to start a business? Could you just go about creating content without establishing one? Let me tell you about some of the benefits. Sure, with a company, you can easily deduct expenses such as this lighting kit I'm using, this camera I'm speaking into, and that microphone that I have to purchase for better sound, this tripod, my computer, my webcam, I have more than one, this iPad right here. For when I visit my clients and send them gifts during the holidays, I like to include some of the Feisworld merch as well. It doesn't stop there. When you run a business, you have expenses such as hiring other people to do part of the work. Maybe that's a virtual assistant, a content manager. For me as a YouTuber, I have a video editor or two. I also need to purchase a number of software subscriptions. Speaking of which, if you use Tailor Brands as part of your business, that is tax deductible. For me, I also have software I use such as Podia for my online academy, Squarespace for a number of my websites, hiring an accountant at the end of the year for tax seasons, maybe an attorney to help you understand some of the paperwork. But what's most important, you're able to separate your business assets from your personal assets. What are personal assets you really want protecting? The house you live in, maybe it's your car. It really matters because they are the important stuff. But when should you start creating a business? You may be thinking, Faye, I'm not making any money even though I'm taking my channels very seriously. Should you wait until you're a big YouTuber, blogger, podcaster? Should you wait until you generate tens of thousands of dollars before you establish your company? My belief is that any content creator should treat their content, their creative work as a business when they start. When you do that, you start to look much more professional, polished, and you're able to welcome other business engagements and opportunities much sooner than when you're just treating it as a hobby. By the way, if you're watching this video and if you are, say, already monetized on YouTube, you're getting deals as a TikToker, as an Instagrammer, you're running your business, generating leads, in that case, yes, please start your business. I want to share my story. I started my business, Feisworld LLC, in January 2016. Did I have a YouTube channel then? No. I was a podcaster and I still am. My podcast was my main driver, my marketing engine to drive a lot of client leads into my digital marketing business. Do I consider my YouTube channel as a business? Hell yeah. I shared a video not so long ago at the end of December 2021 to explain my total revenue as a very small channel with fewer than 17 subscribers at the time, earning over $60,000 a year. You may be wondering, Faye, how come so many creators out there don't have a business? They don't have an LLC. They're just sole proprietors. Guess what? Over the past few years, I spoke with so many content creators because I'm in love with this creator economy. It offers infinite opportunities for us to own our platform and own our content. But many creators come to me and say they're not a fan of business. They don't know how to run one. They have a lot of fear towards that. They don't have the time and they certainly don't have the money. What's costing so much to set up a business? Believe it or not, many of them told me they couldn't believe how pricey it is to design a logo. If they need to hire a fancy designer or even an agency, that's why they didn't start their business? That's ridiculous. Why should you spend thousands of dollars designing a logo when you're trying to establish your first small business? This is where Tailor Brands can come into play. You can literally start your small business within 60 minutes. That comes with logo design, your physical, your digital business cards. They help you establish your LLC as well by gathering straightforward information. This whole process does not require you to have coding skills or to be a designer. What I love is once you start designing these assets with Tailor Brands, you can go back at any time, iterate on them, share them with family and friends, share them with your colleagues, and you can make changes very easily. To get started with Tailor Brands, click on the link in the description below. There's a lot going on with starting a small business, I'm not gonna lie. So don't make it more difficult than it needs to be for yourself. You can be everyone and everything. So leave it to other companies and experts to help you with the hard part. Now you may be thinking, I have all the business assets now. I love my logo, website, I have an LLC. What other things do I have to consider? A business account is what you will need. You can easily call up your personal bank. Most of them will offer business banking as an option, but some of them will have a minimum requirement that you have to meet with a certain dollar amount, or there may be banks allows you to start with zero, but they're gonna charge you a fee until you have, say, $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 in the bank account. This is why I really like Found app. They make business banking super easy with zero minimum requirement. You can start with just $0 in your bank. My favorite feature is that they help you set aside money for taxes way before the tax season. And along the way, they prompt you with really helpful small business, finance, and tax education and information. Be sure to check out Found app in the description below. Selling yourself as a business can be done differently as a content creator. I think we're uniquely positioned to do really well as small business owners. You authentically promote your knowledge, your expertise, your body of work, helping other people without asking for anything in return in your videos, your podcast, the comments section, maybe your blog, your posts. But remember, your viewers' attention is the most important currency of all. Once your business is set up, congratulations. Please let me know in the comments below about your journey. I hope you will watch this video, come back to this channel, and tell me about it. Let each other know how we can help one another. Remember, with your business set up, you can now focus on your crafts, your zone of genius. Be strategic about the content you create, how you approach your audience. You don't have to be a big YouTuber. You don't have to be a big content creator with a big following to succeed as a small business owner. If you want to know how to be a profitable small YouTuber with a small channel, be sure to check out Feisworld Academy. We created the YouTuber kit for people like yourself. There's also a brand deals guide for small YouTubers as part of the YouTuber kit as well. We're super proud. And to make it the easiest and help you get a flavor of how we think, I included the startup kit completely free of charge. You can download it today. Be sure to check out Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands starts at just $3.99 a month. You can't beat it. Click on the link below with the code FEIWU40 to get 40% off. You can cancel it at any time and still keep your assets. I really hope you enjoy using it. And most importantly, start your small business in 2022. Much love to this community, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!